Fluid power technology is non-final subject. It is basically about hydraulic and pneumatics. Based on the result, student easy to pass but difficult to score A. From the observations, students tend to lose focus during lecturers prolong their lectures. Students may do not well understand the fundamental concept, how does hydraulic and pneumatic works. The problem when they are unsuccessful to relay and apply their lesson in real life once they underwent industrial training in industries. From the survey conducted, the most preferable method is video and demonstrations. So we initiate and create an innovative learning kit for student uses in class. The demonstration will be carried out a week before lab session so they more understand and can get an idea how does the hydraulic and pneumatic function. To visualize and demonstrate the function of basic hydraulic and pneumatic in the classroom instead of using conventional teaching style, to encourage students towards the course more effectively, thus beneficial to visual, auditory, kinesthetic styles of students altogether. Showing improvement, especially in test 1, which more on understanding of basic concept of fluid power technology. The overall result is better. Student score A are increasing. The demonstration of HyPic Kit is the new and interactive teaching style. In agreement, will benefit all group and type of students because this kit is easy to understand by others, not only limited to engineering students. Students will be able to expand their skills and knowledge differently by using their creativity instead of follow teaching convention to finding the right answer to solve the problems, as obligatory in 4th Industrial Revolution IR 4.0. Hopefully can produce the knowledgeable student not only in theoretical but also in practical. My name is Aina Maya Munira binti Ismail. My team members are Nur Aini Sabrin binti Mansur, Hazime bin Abu Qasim and Salmi Nur Ain binti Sanusi. We are lecturers from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Faculty of Chemical Engineering, UiTM Johor Pasir Gudang campus.